I welcome you to the video on what is process excellence. I am Professor Jitesh Thakkar, Dean Academics and Professor Logistics and Supply Chain Management at Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya, India's first and only university in transportation and logistics sector. Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya is a central university established by Ministry of Railways. It's a driving force behind the ambitious PM Gati Shakti master plan, and university has a unique mandate to contribute in all the modes of transportation: rail, road, water, aviation, port, and shipping, with a focus on all three dimensions: technology, that is infrastructure, management, that is services, and policy, that is regulations. GSV is poised to become a global leader in transportation and logistics, and university has established strategic collaborations both at national and international levels with prestigious organizations like St. Petersburg's State Transport University, Russia, Monash University, Australia, JTTRI, Lucchini RS, SPA, Italy, Indian Defense Forces, Army, Air Force, Navy, Airbus, Jacobs, Nokia, Plaza India, Nippon Koi, and many others. I welcome you to the playlist on process excellence in manufacturing and service industry. Ever wondered what sets the world's leading companies apart? It is not just about what they make, but how they make it and how they serve you. And that is something where process gets involved. Similarly, are you facing bottleneck in your production, in your services, struggling to consistently delight your customers? If these are the symptoms, then in today's competitive landscape, let us remember, good enough simply is not good enough. This playlist is meticulously curated to provide you with actionable insights, proven methodologies, and real world case studies from the forefront of operational process brilliance. We will dissect the principles that drive efficiency, effectiveness, enhance quality, and forge unbreakable customer loyalty. We are going to uncover the strategies, the technologies, and the mindset that drive efficiency, quality, and unparalleled customer experience. With this introduction of the playlist, let us have a deep dive into the topic: what is process excellence? We will try to appreciate the concept and see a couple of examples to make it clear why process excellence really is a matter of concern and what is exactly the process excellence. Let's get started. Process excellence is a comprehensive concept based on and typically significantly focused on the continuous improvement of manufacturing processes or service processes to achieve superior performance. It is about optimizing the entire operation to achieve a balance of high quality, low cost, on time delivery, safety, and moral. So, when you have the process excellence, people really feel pride in their functions, in their operations, in their activities, and that really boosts the morale. Process excellence is paramount for both manufacturing and service industry as it drives sustained growth, profitability, and customer satisfaction. It involves the continuous optimization of workflows, eliminating waste, and enhancing efficiency across all operations. It's a relentless pursuit of perfection. It is not just about cutting cost. It is about building a robust, adaptable, and customer centric organization. Process excellence is a strategic approach focused on optimizing an organizational process to deliver superior value to customers while achieving operational efficiency and sustainable growth. When you look at the process excellence, it is not a one time fixed solution. You cannot just say that I deployed process excellence and now my organization has achieved the excellence, brilliance forever. It's a continuous journey. And this continuous journey includes identifying, analyzing, improving existing workflows, eliminating waste, reducing errors, enhancing overall performance. And if you look at the core of the process excellence, it is about doing things better, faster, more effectively with the customers always in mind. So all the processes should be customer centric, client centric. Whatever I do in my business is all about the customer. And when this customer centricity is brought in the center of my all business processes, I have started my journey for the process excellence. In the Indian context, if we try to explore this process excellence, then we have made significant strides in process excellence, and many of our industries in service and manufacturing sector have demonstrated remarkable achievement in terms of their quality, in terms of their customer services, in terms of customer satisfaction, and so on. So typically, the traditional manufacturing to cutting edge IT services, there is the entire spectrum range present, and process excellence has become critical differentiator. Today, what Flipkart has, Amazon already is exercising, Walmart is also already in the place, Big Bazaar knows it, banking sectors they are aware of. So technology has become available to all. Now, how do we deploy the processes? How do we execute the processes using even the technology IT? And what is our customer centricity that decides the real difference, brilliance with respect to my competitor? Let us look at a couple of examples and how really industries have achieved the process excellence. If you look at the automobile industry, then some of the benchmark examples are Tata Motors, Mahindra and Mahindra, and these Indian automotive giants have embraced the process excellence through lean manufacturing principles. They operated with just-in-time inventory management system, minimizing warehousing cost and reducing wastages. They also conduct frequent Kaizen, that is part of the continuous improvement strategy events. And this continuous improvement workshops help their employees at all levels to understand the problem and contribute their innovative ideas to optimize production processes, leading to reduced cycle times and enhance product quality. If we just see the example, then a focus on reducing defects through better processes, control, and operator training has significantly improved the quality perception in Indian automobile vehicle manufacturing companies. Let us look at the another example, that is textile industry. Arvind Limited's Raman Group, they all are highly successful companies with their quality products, with their customer centricity and ability to tap the market trends at the right time. So this industry, they remain competitive in Indian textile segment, which has heavily invested in process automation and quality control. This involves optimizing dyeing and weaving processes to reduce water and energy consumption, implementing advanced quality checks to minimize fabric defects, streamlining supply chain logistics to ensure timely delivery of garments, and standardizing the processes and adapting modern machinery, which has really helped them to remain at the cutting edge in the textile industry, both for the local market as well as export. If you look at the third industry segment, then it is pharmaceutical industry and Sun Pharma, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories. They have registered remarkable excellence in the pharmaceutical segment. So, this highly regulated pharmaceutical sector in India relies heavily on process excellence. There is a huge competition for quality and price both, and typically they have to adhere to the compliances and product safety. So, this includes rigorous process validation for drug manufacturing, ensuring consistency and purity, and also they focus on optimizing research and development process to accelerate drug discovery and market entry. So it's not that easy to maintain these stringent quality standard, meet with the compliances, and typically this includes meticulous documentation, batch control, deviation management to adhere to the global regulatory guidelines. So this is something where again the process excellence and the different kind of process excellence strategies like Six Sigma, lean manufacturing, total quality management, quality control have played a significant role in boosting the competitiveness of Indian pharmaceutical industry. Let us look at the other segment, that is service industry, and you might be wondering whether process excellence equally applies to service sector also. Yes, process excellence has an equal and more importance to the service sector. We know that India has more than 60% GDP contribution from the service sector, and this includes different kind of services. It may be banking services, hospitality industry, tourism, hotels, and financial services and whatnot. So let us look at a couple of examples to appreciate the process excellence in service sector. So one of the most critical segment is banking and financial services, where the meticulousness of the processes and financial transactions are extremely important to have confidence of the clients and the customers. So HDFC Bank, ICICI, State Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, Punjab National Bank, all they have registered remarkable success in terms of their process excellence. So Indian banks have transformed their operations through process excellence, and typically the digitization which took place during the time of the 90s has really revolutionized the processes, optimized the processes of banking industry through core banking. So the services can range from online banking account, opening loan applications, to instant payment like UPI, and automating routine tasks and streamlining workflows. They have significantly reduced the customer waiting time, improved service efficiency, and enhanced overall customer experience. Today, when you visit the bank, they are just like that there is a pleasant experience and no much crowding. The staff, managers, executives are available to address your queries. And in fact, they interact with the customers and clients to innovate for their products and services. So the move towards paperless transactions and digital onboarding is a testament to their focus on process optimization. Let us look at the other segment of the service industry, and that is information technology and business process outsourcing. So IT, BPO, TCS, Tata Consultancy Services, Infosys, Wipro, all are the benchmark examples where the optimization of the processes, use of information technology, and deploying the frameworks like total quality management, Six Sigma, lean manufacturing are highly evident. So these global powerhouses are built on foundation of process excellence. They leverage frameworks like ITIL, that is specific to IT companies, for service management, CMMI, for software development processes, Six Sigma for defect reduction in large scale projects. And typically, this process excellence movements really ensures consistent service delivery, efficient project management, high quality software development, and these are extremely critical for their international as well as domestic clients. Their ability to deliver complex projects on time within budget is a direct result of meticulously defined, optimized processes. The most important segment, typically during the time of COVID, we all realize what is the importance of this segment, and it is healthcare. The multinational, multi-speciality hospitals like Apollo Hospitals, Fortis Healthcare, and many other, Wockard, Sterling, they have shown remarkable benchmark achievement in their healthcare services. So, Indian hospitals are increasingly adapting the process excellence to improve the patient care, reduce the patient waiting time, enhance the operational efficiency. So, typically, through process excellence practices, they have achieved streamlining of the patient registration, admission processes, optimizing bed allocation, standardizing treatment protocols, and overall ensuring the consistent quality of care. They also focus on efficient inventory management because they have to deal with large amount of medicines, variety, quantity, both, and how to optimize the scheduling of the doctors, nurses, reduce waiting time, and typically improve the resource utilization so that customer service, patient service can be enhanced at an affordable and reduced cost. So certainly these are some of the examples in healthcare and what way they have really achieved the process excellence in their various processes. So if we just summarize, then process excellence in India is about creating a culture of continuous improvement. Through these initiatives, employees feel empowered, they feel very much part of the process, they learn to take the ownership of the process, and this overall creates a better culture of working. It is about leveraging technology, data analytics, proven methodologies like Six Sigma, total quality management, continuous improvement, lean manufacturing practices, and ultimately our objective is to build resilient customer focused organization that can thrive in an increasingly competitive global marketplace. Thank you very much for your interest in understanding what is process excellence. Through this playlist, Process Excellence for Manufacturing and Service Industry, we will keep exploring many critical issues for the benefit of the professionals, students in the manufacturing and service sector. Thank you very much.